Being here in Arizona, obviously you have a diverse customer base, and talk a little bit about how creative you guys have to get with precision technology here with your customers.
Well, a lot of Deere's technology is tailored more towards the Midwest, and Midwest they don't have borders, so every 90 feet we got a border through the field. So a lot of it we run into obstacles. So we kind of got to get creative. One of the ways we did it was like See and Spray. They don't have anything for hay yet. So we take this DJI mapping drone, and we fly it. We use a Pix4D, and we'll stitch everything together. And once we stitch it, we have these high resolution pictures of the field. We can pinpoint where the weed pressure is. Well, we can mark those up and make a target application map and send that to the ground rig. And when the ground rig goes over those, it'll just hit where those weeds are from the map. So that's one way of kind of just having to get a little bit creative down here on how to implement our technology with these growers.